Hey, Shad here with Speed Addicts, the fastest growing gear site on the web. In today's video, we're going to uncrate the all new Scorpion Exo R430. What's up, Speed Addicts fan? Before we get into a new release from the folks over at Scorpion, do us a favor, subscribe to the Speed Addicts channel. That way you're getting all of our gear reviews, you're getting our buying guides, and you're getting our new Versus videos, and we even have some more interesting things in store for you later this year. If you subscribe, you don't have to worry about missing out on any of that. If you're gonna shop for gear online, especially this beautiful R430, do it at Speed Addicts because, of course, that's right, we appreciate your business more than those other guys, and there's a link in the description below that'll take you to the complete selection of Scorpion Exo gear from head to toe. We got everything Scorpion makes at Speed Addicts. The R430 is gonna ship fast and free with the industry's best return policy. 90 days, we even pay that return shipping. And finally, if you're the type that likes to shop in person, you live in SoCal, or you're just visiting, come on down to the first Speed Addicts Superstore in the city of Orange. That's right, Dad, just down the street from Disneyland. If you're in town with the kids, sneak over here, shop the world's greatest helmet wall. We've got a complete selection of apparel from head to toe, service items. We've got you covered. Shameless plugs over. Here it is. It is the R430 from the folks over at Scorpion EXO. What is this helmet? It is a full face helmet, no interior drop down, just traditional full face with a single visor on it. The whole idea here is that you are getting an affordable SNELL-approved helmet, SNELL 2025, M2025, the new SNELL standard, at an affordable price point. $149 for solids, $199 for graphics. Of course, we live in a world where prices may change, so if you watch this at a later date and the prices creeped up, don't jump up and down in our YouTube comments. I'm sorry, that happens. Okay, so sub $200 SNELL 2025 approved helmet. Yes, that is rare, especially these days. Who wants that? Well, if you want a SNELL approval, that is this is the helmet for you, right? You believe in the SNELL testing regimen, you want it or you need it for your racing organization, either for motorcycles or sometimes autocross or karting or that sort of thing. You're looking for a SNELL helmet. The R430 has the SNELL standard, okay? It's also gonna be DOT, of course. This is a polycarbonate shell. That's how they keep the price down as opposed to like a composite shell. The weight on this thing is right around 3 pounds, 13 ounces on our scale. That is size independent, so it's not a particularly light helmet, but it's not breaking that ugly 4-pound mark. We're staying south of that. The fit is great, intermediate oval head shape. This is an all new helmet for Scorpion. You know, it's a complete ground up redesign from the old R420, which they basically have freshened up and made the new 330, okay? So they've kind of demoted that one to the 3 series. It's 120, okay? So that one's really affordable. This is an all-new helmet for them. Intermediate oval fit, size is extra small through 4 extra large, so no one's left out. The 4X in this is really big. Otherwise, this helmet runs true to size. So order whatever size you typically wear in Scorpion. If you're not sure, check out the sizing chart we have there at Speed Addicts. Measure your head. If you've never had a helmet before, go by the sizing chart. Remember, you got the no-cost returns over at Speed Addicts, so when you're shopping for your next helmet online, do it there. And do it with confidence, right, producer Matt? There you go. So that is the fit. No surprises with the fit. So what is new? What is exciting about this helmet other than the SNELL 2025 approval? The old 420 was, of course, SNELL 2020. So now we stepped up into the new approval. That is the biggest thing to know about this helmet. Aside from that, we do have a completely new face shield mechanism and face shield itself. This is one of the things when you're going from the 330 up to the 430 you're gonna get. You're gonna get a much better face shield. It is more optically correct and it is sturdier. I'm gonna show you the 330 right here. So this is the 330. Again, this is the 420 that they're still making under the 330 name here. And it has a face shield that's got the secondary pieces on it. It's got the metal and plastic pieces on it. I never really like these. These are always kind of like feel a little sketch for me. The thickness of the 330 face shield is not nearly as thick or rigid as this Class 1 optic shield on the 430. So just much better face shield, less problems with the clarity and any sort of optical distortions there, and just feels firmer. The locking system, it's got this center lock system with this push button release, and this is the same face shield that they have on their much more expensive Eclipse helmet, their like Grand Touring helmet, okay? Same exact face shield. The mechanism has got a very premium feel. So you're gonna get that demist setting, you're gonna pop that open, get a little bit of air, and then you're gonna pop into like what is essentially one center detent and then one at the top. The top one is quite tight, kind of clips into place, center one, and then kind of demist or totally locked. So there's not a bunch of ratchets along the way, but the feel and the action on this definitely feels premium. The release is very straightforward. You pull that down, shield's gonna come right off. Always put your shields on in the open position when you take them on and off. The one bummer about this face shield is that it's not pin lock prepped. We're gonna move the 330 out of the way while we talk about this 430 here. This is not pin lock prepped, so you are going to have to purchase a pin lock ready face shield and the insert if you want to make this helmet a pin lock helmet, okay? If you want to run a pin lock in here, which is a fog solution. If you're not familiar with pin lock inserts, it's a secondary lens that installs on the inside to mitigate fog, and they work really, really well, and most people want to run them, but you are going to have to buy a secondary shield to do so. This shield is fog treated, but nothing works quite as good as a pin lock. So you might want to soup up your 430 with a pin lock setup. We have those available as well. Otherwise, face shield is great. The other thing that's improved on the 430 over the 420, now called the 330, I think you got it at this point, is the ventilation. So when we take this helmet down, you're gonna see very, very aggressive porting in the EPS. They've really ported this thing so that the air that's flowing through the helmet gets onto your scalp. Big improvement. It is very noticeable when we open up the helmet. One thing I don't love about this new 430 is that the closure on these top vents is kind of smooth and like narrow. It doesn't really grab your hand. It's not obvious where it is, and it's just a little vague. I think they could have done a better job with these, making them bigger, or just putting a bigger like kind of nub on them or something for you to grab with the old gloved mitt down low. No problems down here on the chin bar vent. I think it looks good. It's got a big knobby switch on it so that you can actuate that. And then on the rear, we have a nice looking but minimalistic diffuser to pull that hot air out. The overall design of this thing, I think, is improved. It's aggressive. It is supposed to be cleaner in the air, more aerodynamic. And it kind of looks like the new generation of the Scorpion EXO lineup. These sort of same swooping, these lines that they have here on the 430 look a lot like that Eclipse helmet, which we also have a deep dive on. If you want a higher end helmet with a drop down visor, a touring helmet, the Eclipse is really, really nice. And here in the store, people are really liking that Eclipse a lot. But it's got the same lines that the Eclipse has. So great looking helmet. I like the matte black here. So you're gonna get SNELL, you're gonna get better ventilation, a much better face shield and visor mechanism, still sub $200. There it is. Underneath you have a mesh chin curtain. Nothing too special about that. Now, the other thing you're gonna get that's new here is that you're going to get a port for the this Scorpion EXO COMM. Okay, they're gonna make their new EXO COMM unit. It's not by EverClear anymore. It's going to be their own unit, and it is going to be improved over the EXO COMM. We got some feedback on that EXO COMM over the years that people weren't super stoked on it. So they're going to do their own version, and it is going to use this as a wire pass-through, so it's going to be a real clean install. We still are waiting on the release date. We hear that could be late 2025, hopefully, but with tariffs and all the things that are going on in the world, who knows? But this is ready for the new EXO COMM when it shows up, and it's got massive speaker pockets in here. So either the new EXO COMM is going to have giant speakers, or they just want to make sure that you're clear. If you're going to run like a Pack Talk Pro with 45s in it, you're good to go. But we are ready for that new COMM system. Otherwise, emergency quick release cheek pads. Their standard KwikWick moisture wicking liner here that's kind of got that neoprene feel. Super comfy. Nice place to be. We'll pull out these cheek pads and we'll undo what is a D-ring closure on this helmet. All Scorpion helmets, especially the 430, are eyeglasses compatible. Most glasses will fit in here. It is dependent on your frames and your face shape though, but they do try to design around glasses and make them compatible. Oh, this is a little caught up here. Stand by. Okay, so the cheek pads are quite tight. There it is. All right, so there is the cheek pad blade system. So you got a catch up here, and then you got a slider in the back. We'll go ahead and pull out this bottom one as well, so you can see the speaker pockets I'm talking about. We'll pull this one out. Okay. Scorpion products, or Scorpion helmets, come with a 5-year warranty, which is awesome. Considering the price point of their products, usually to get a 5-year warranty, you know, you have to spend a ton of cash, but they're going to cover you for 5 years on the Scorpion R430, sub $200, 5-year warranty, which is the useful life of the helmet. It's always nice to know you invest in a Scorpion helmet. They're going to back you up for that full 5 years. There's the cheek pad, nice 3D foam, contoured. Inside there is that giant speaker pocket I was talking about for you to use with their new COMM system, or you can use it with your own Cardo, Pack Talk, whatever you're running, free COMM. There's no dramatic angles or anything that's going to obstruct your COMM system. They made sure to leave room for that. And while they are going to offer their integrated COMM solution, their engineering around that was not going to block a universal COMM system. Like some of these other brands, you know, you see Shoei or HJC, and they have the integrated comms, and there's this big panel here, and they're blocking you from putting on like your universal Cardo unit. They're not doing that here. So this is a smart way to still do an integrated comm system, but leave the rider the option of what they're going to use. We'll go ahead and pull out the whole headliner here. We've got the blade system, removable washable liner. There it is. You notice, I always like when they don't put a bunch of mesh in here. They've left this open for you for the air to actually get on your head. The mesh kind of gets hot. So nice liner inside. Here is the EPS that I was talking about. And you see that array of ports that's been put into this EPS crash liner. And that is probably, might be the most I've seen. I don't know if I'm going to be able to count them on the spot. Let's see. I think I see 14. Let's see. That's 10, 8, 10, 14, something like that, plus probably a few back there. Yeah, a ton of ventilation. And then you notice the SNELL. If you're not sure if a helmet's SNELL, it doesn't say it on the back. There always should be a SNELL label inside on the EPS, as well as a manufacturing date. There it is. It is the R430, still Scorpion's affordable solution for a SNELL-approved helmet. Premium Class 1 optics, great liner, 5-year warranty, and ready for your comms or the new ExoComm solution. Available now at speedaddicts.com. Again, if you're local, you're in SoCal, come and shop Scorpion in person. We've got the full selection at the Speed Addict Superstore in the city of Orange. We'll see you next time to find out what's in the crate.